Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my mobile robot discovery, made of fischertechnik, obviously. And the problem I'm focusing on now is the color separation once again. So this camera is grabbing images that's going from this object, different colors, red, green, yellow, and in the images I try to get only one color visible and the rest being blacked out. With red I've managed, yellow and green not so much, and that bugs me, so I really want to solve it, which I'm going to try in this episode. And to show everything, I will now change to screencast. With screencast, and this is the terminal for the coder. This is the terminal for the execution. Let's keep part capital. And this is for displaying of the images using ImageMagick. Interface test via Pro. And the interface test is necessary to make sure that everything actually does work. I have to close the interface test to actually run Python, but it is quite alright. So now another thing is that because of the Wi-Fi I'm using, I also have for this laptop the Wi-Fi active, otherwise I don't. So let's run it. Last time I had to make quite a few adjustments to the IP address I used in the coder, that is, because using the coder or using an IP address on a convention is something different than, well, it is a different IP address than doing things like this here. So let's just run it now and hope there's no error. The delay is caused by setting things up, like the camera, 2.5 seconds delay. And there's another thing that I changed. No more choice, because it has to be automatic. But then again, why the password? Oh, that's most interesting. As you can see, the fan is running, and that also means that the algorithm is still running. But do I have everything that is needed right now? What is in the code anyway? So I am going to find Kaiser, and that's only R. And that's another problem. How do I make sure that something is really taken? A choice, that is. All right, let's cut this. Let's now see how things work out on the display. I have a yellow result, which is caused by reading and comparing the upper value range of yellow to that chart, HSV chart that I had. And I realized 60 and 20. 60 for lower, 200 for upper. And lo and behold, I have this very nice piece of yellow right here. So that proves that that chart is correct and that I now can also make green. So it has taken a long time and now I can do it. So this is very, very nice result. Absolutely what I needed. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave the bell, click the bell for notification, leave a comment or suggestion under the video. Very much appreciated. You can support via PayPal and Ko-fi, and you can also support by becoming either a member via Ko-fi or becoming a patron. And if you become a paying member, then you can watch the full video. And thank you to the patrons already listed on my website. This is obviously going to be continued for the remaining green color. And well, for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.